Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Apple AirPods Pro second generation. So I've got the second generation and the first generation both with me. I've been testing it for some time. So we're going to test the microphone sound in this. So generally people talk about the sound quality. I'm talking about the microphone sound quality. So if you are on a phone call, how good the mic is going to sound like in different scenarios. So right now I'm in my studio. The window is open, so some sound will be coming from outside. I have the fan on, so there should be a little bit of the wind sound. So the entire sound you're going to hear in this video is going to be from the AirPod itself, from here. So let's see how good the noise cancellation and everything works on this. So let's go ahead, start with the test, and then talk more about it. Let's go. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike without a helmet. Don't do that. It's illegal. It's dangerous. But in case you're cycling or something, or if you're in a windy situation, this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the vehicle. So in this scenario, the earphone is actually inside the helmet, so you should not be getting wind sound. But there's a little bit of the background sound that will be coming in. Hopefully, it's not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you'll get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor open. In this scenario, you will be getting a little bit of echo because it's a closed helmet. Background sound a little bit would be coming in. Wind should not be a problem. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough and you are able to hear me well. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I'm next to 70 water fountains outside Season Small. So there is a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I'm outside Season Small and Amnora Mall. So a lot of traffic sound here. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in the food court. So a lot of people around me. So the entire sound is coming from here. So a lot of people around me. A lot of machine sounds, people sounds, sounds from the TV, from the audio devices, and the music system. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now I didn't really like the microphone sound quality that much. For 26,000 rupees, I actually expected more. The sound was choppy in the helmet scenario, also the echo or whatever background sound that you get. Whenever the background sound increases, my sound almost goes off. So most of my sound was choppy or it was a little faint. So I didn't really like the microphone sound. Uh, Now, if you talk about regular sound on this, the speakers are really good. The noise cancellation is really good, but that's all for you. So when you are roaming around, you don't want the outside element to come in. It's good for you, but when you actually make a phone call, it's not that great. So that's all that I wanted to say. There are other review videos that I'm doing with this. So we'll be talking about the rest of the things over there. Now, if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.